Do you ever feel like life just crumbles? One moment, everything's fine, and the next, it's chaos. Bills pile up, relationships fray, and dreams fade. But here's the thing, it's okay to feel lost. Embrace the mess. Use it as fuel to rebuild. Remember, every setback is a setup for a comeback. Here are some ways to embrace chaos. 1. Let go of the idea that everything needs to be perfect and that you can control the chaos. You can only change your thoughts and actions. 2. Center yourself with activities like meditation, deep breathing, or yoga. 3. Focus on the positive moments and find joy in the little things. 4. Gratitude can help you feel compassion and empathy for what's happening in the world. 5. Try to find the humor in the chaos. People with high adaptability can quickly respond to unexpected circumstances. 7. Stop hiding from the world and open yourself up to the unknown. 8. Accept your flaws and get a reasonable hold on your circumstances. 9. Prioritize self-care and make time for things that bring you joy and relaxation. I hope this information was helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much for watching.